had a bag full of hope, and I held on to the rope.
Hello guys, Trackwave here and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're going to be going over a trade that was taken by one of our members, as you can see in front of you. And I just want to kind of get a grasp on how he was thinking, why he bought, and sort of the confluence, which I will talk about now, that kind of led him to buy. So if we start off on the daily, and why I start off on the daily. So whenever you sort of want to frame your trading, you go to higher time frame because higher time frame is more powerful to sort of get a general idea of where you want to go, if you want to buy, if you want to sell. And higher time frame is the most probable and probably the best way for you to see where the direction of the market is and the trend. So yeah, so I've spoken about this in previous videos where when we do see higher time frame fractal sweeps, we do see reversals, as I will show you now. There's plenty of examples here. These may, obviously it doesn't happen all the time as clean as these, but they are very highly probable, and again, nothing's 100% proof in the market. So here's just a few examples of sort of reversals after high time frame, in this case the daily fractal sweeps. And I do talk about this more in other videos if you do check out our channel, especially the only trading method you need, where I do talk about this on the 4-hour time frame, and you guys can sort of use that and formulate your trading plan around that. And again, if you guys do want to know more about how we trade and how we sort of catch these setups, I will go over that later on in the video of what we do offer. So getting into this, let's get rid of these. As of recent, we've had a daily fractal sweep, so we do expect a reversal. So we can now call this confirmation 1, daily fractal sweep. And I'd advise having more than one confirmation of what direction you want to go in. And our second sort of confirmation would be if we jump on the 1 hour. So again, this purple line being marked out by that daily fractal sweep. So we do see sort of bullishness here, but then we start to see this bearish trend form, which may be to close orders lower down. But what's significant to us is that after this bearish move, we see a bullish candle close at 9 AM, and this can be our first indication that we could go for buys on this time frame. The first initial one being the daily, this now being the second 9 AM candle close, which was bullish, and for more confirmation at 10 AM bullish candle close. So now we will look for buys. We did look for buys here, and now you guys might be a bit confused what's going on here. There's a lot of boxes, a lot of different stuff going on here. So this is sort of our own indicator here at Trackwave, where we've identified liquidity pools and put it into an indicator for us to use to help us with trading, for TPs, entries, all that sort of stuff. And if you guys want to know more about this, you can message one of us guys at the Trackwave team, and we will help you and answer any questions you have. And we do offer one-on-one mentorships where we do talk through our trading method and help you guys out. As of now, we don't have a course. We don't intend on having a course, as we feel like the one-on-one sort of mentorship will help you, as it's one-on-one and it's sort of individual to each person and not just an overall sort of course, because we do want to help guys, and if you do want the help. And here we do offer the one-on-one mentorships, and they will be conducted on Zoom. So again, if you guys want to know more about that, just message one of us at the TrackWave team and we will help you with that. So getting on with the trade, we look here. So the initial sort of thing was that we had that sweep on the daily, and then we had a sweep of Asia, which was here, and then after Asia we started to see manipulation buys, which you can see here on the 1 minute, sort of buys that kind of entice traders to get in to then be taken out later on. So during London is where we get our sort of real buys, because that's when a lot of liquidity is being put in the market, because London open. So here we can start to see our buys sort of formulate, and our sort of trend here was bearish. We can start to see a sort of bullish trend form. So if we look here, yes, we do see the real buys sort of come in now, and we got in here, one of the team members here. This is sort of a refined entry here at TrackWave. Again, you can know more, just message one of us on the team. So essentially we saw initial chotch here, so we can see that sort of bullish momentum start to form. And again, if you observe here, we see another chotch here, and then this is our refined entry which we got into. And where do we want to target? So we targeted one of our boxes, which is one of our liquidity pools, and we targeted this here, which then led to a 1 to 8.71, which is not a bad trade at all. Again, the overall bias, because of the daily being, it should be a powerful move up, because it's a lot of it's a higher time frame, and we should see a more stronger move up. Hence why, as I'm going to explain now, we didn't take full TP here. This is sort of the first TP here. 50% was taken off here, and the trade was put to break even, because we did expect this to start to carry on that bullish trend, which it did essentially. As we can see, it's absolutely flew. But again, we did profit off this trade obviously, because 50% was taken off at this TP here, which is a 1 to 8.71. and yeah, so essentially that's really all there was to this trade. And you guys can obviously know more about this by messaging us again, as I've said. And the only reason we put the TP here was because we expected it to fly, which it did. So we were targeting other areas, but we just got unlucky with this. It hit break even here, and essentially that is the trade, our refined entry. So just to go over this sort of briefly again. First confirmation was daily sweep. Second confirmation was bullish candle closes, and then the real buys come in after the fake buys were formulated, to then give us an entry from a chotch to hit our first TP. So this is just one of the trades that we're taking today. And yeah, that is all for today, guys. Hope you did enjoy the video. Again, any questions, feel free to message one of us at the TrackWave team, and we will be glad to help. And thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and share to whoever you think will benefit off this. And that's all for today. Thank you guys.
I had a bag full of hope, and I held on.